really okay. So let me just make sure I'm on the go. Okay, fine. So are you able to see me? Are you able to see me? I want everybody to just share your name, business, and also your location where you are from. Keep pouring. Let me just Suvarna. Okay, fantastic. I'm fantastic, Janan Shankar. I'm superb. I'm awesome. Okay, so let us just start with a few etiquities. So thank you again from bottom of my heart. A big thank you to each one of you for joining in this wonderful evening hours. And also, as I have committed, this session is going to be a game changer experience for you. Maybe few of the facts I share you, maybe you know it, but the way, the perspective, how I'm going to put forth is going to trigger you so that it will make some kind of an action in your life to make a big business growth, my dear friends. Okay, so game changer event it's going to be, and I know that day in day out during this corona lockdown, so many events you are attending, and I want to make sure that your health is more important. You have to be safe, so make sure you are in a very good position, sitting position, so that you don't have any problem. Sit in a very relaxed posture, my dear friends, and please use an earphone or a headphone for a better experience so that it doesn't make any disturbance for other people. And this session is going to be, as I told you, about 90 minutes. Make sure then and there 30 to 40 minutes you just get up, relax yourself, stretch yourself, my dear friends, so that you have no back pain. I know that 24/7 people are attending at least 2-3 events every day. Am I right? So let us just make sure you get up and make a point to take notes. Okay, so if you don't have a notepad and a pen, please rush and take a notepad and pen. Meanwhile, just make sure you bring your water bottle also. And you're allowed to take screenshots, okay, so that you can review this session whenever you require. And you will have a lot of questions. I know that you note down your questions, and also you can put in the chat box, and but we will address all the questions at the end of the session. I will not leave the session without answering, my dear friends. Okay, so but we will not lose the momentum, so that we will address every question whatever you have related to 4 pillars for your business growth at the end of the session. Deal? Okay, please mention it, so that let me understand that you have taken up that point. And also there may be unexpected technical snag, even though we have all the backup of power and network. Don't worry, I'll be back in few minutes if so happen. It may not happen if so. And there is no recording provided. I love live session. I believe in live session because it's more interactive and people take action. Okay, so I want you to be till the end of the session. And also I'm going to give you 3 gifts, not 1, 2. I'm going to share you 3 gifts before today. Even after the end of the session, I'm going to give you 3 gifts for you, marketing tools which can help you to scale up your business. Are you all ready for that? Shall we now dive in? So use the chat box and type yes. Let us just start the session. So before I start the session, I just want to share my gratitude to all my mentors who are here. My dad, who is a retired joint director of fisheries, and I have to just make sure that I learned human values from him. Okay, and also I want to thank Dr. T.R. Sivaswamy, who has taught me self-discipline, Dr. Ivan Meissner, who taught me how to do business networking. How many of you are BNI here? How many of you are BNI here? Just you can just put BNI in the chat box. And Blair Singer taught me how to do presentation skills. Brian Tracy set my goals. Hawecker helped me how to set my millionaire's mind. Siddharth, we call him Sids, who taught me how to take our product into the digital platform. Okay, my dear friends. And also I want to thank my friends, my family members, and also my enemies who have taught me what I need to do and what I shouldn't do. How many of you have mentors here? If you do have mentors, please specify who is your mentor. And what did you learn from them? That's more important. Can you type in the chat box? Who is your mentor? The mentor can be your father, mother, uncle, or maybe your boss. Who is your mentor? Siddharth, very good. Maya says sits. Pankaj says sits. Digital Deepak, okay, super. Chandrasekhar says Digital Deepak and Siddharth. How about others? How about others? Keep pouring. Keep pouring. The reason why I ask you to just mention it, my dear friends, it may be the co-participants here are looking for such kind of a quality. So they can start following your mentors, my dear friend. Okay. So that is the reason I request you all to make sure you mention who is your mentor and what exactly you learn from them. Okay, now let us just dive in. Let me make sure everybody's microphone is switched off. Yes, so it doesn't, a small hissing noise I could hear. Adi Moolam, can you please put on the mic in mute? Can you please? Okay, done. Superb. So now there is no disturbance. And whenever required, I'm going to unmute you so that you can just make sure you can talk. Okay, so a lot of people are Siddharth's fan. Fantastic, awesome. Okay, so my dear friends, let us go in. My first question to you all. Okay, so Raj Datta says Swami Vivekananda, he follows him. Okay, fantastic. He's the mentor for him. Awesome. He is a mentor for a lot of youngsters. Okay, so do you want to increase your sales and business? How many of you want to increase your sales and business? Please type yes, no, or 1 or 2. How many of you want to increase your business? Today, this is not going to be a regular session, my dear friend. The content, what I'm going to provide you, you will feel the facts, whatever I'm going to give you, you will feel, wow, something different about the business owners, traders in India. So let us see that. So which MS Dhoni you like the most in this? 1 or 2, which MS Dhoni you like the most? There is a reason why I ask, because MS Dhoni on the left is actually very looking professional, groomed, well groomed, very professional. Am I right? The guy who is on the right, who is more freaky with a t-shirt, with a funk hair, not even shaved. Am I right? So I could see most of the people are liking number 1. This is a different audience altogether, my dear friend, mind-boggling. So why I asked this question to most of the audience here? This was my first question whenever I asked them. The reason is I will understand what kind of an audience you are. Okay, so whether you are more logical mind person who are looking for facts and figures, or you are more creative who are looking for stories. Here, something interesting is almost everybody, almost like 80% of the audience are looking for facts and figures. So today I'm going to share you facts and figures. Is there anybody who like number 2 Dhoni? For them, I would love to share stories. Anybody here who love second Dhoni? Okay, Amol loves the second Dhoni. Okay, fantastic. So I will be also sharing you stories, my dear friends. Okay, so let us balance this. My important question to you: what makes a business successful? Is it the product or how he market his product? Can you use a chat box and type? Is it the product which is more important, or is it you have an average product? It is the marketing which is more important. Please don't type both. I want one answer, either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. Which one you will prioritize? Pankaj says 2. How about others? Raj Datta says 2. How about others? I'd love to hear from each one of you. Amul says 2. Awesome. Awesome, my dear friends. Awesome. Swarna, I think Suama says 2. Fantastic. So you're very clear that a success of a business owner lies on marketing. But the fact here is, in India, 70% of the business owners fail because they fail to market those products. Against 30% of the business owners gain, even though they have an average product, they do new way marketing. which kind of a category of business owner you are. Can you tell me which kind of a business owner you are? Are you in 1 or are you in 2? Are you a market leader? Still, I believe I am in 1. How about you all? Still, I believe I am in 1 because I had not become a successful coach worldwide. I mean, even state-wise or nation-wise. So that is the reason we are all here together to explore how we can take our business, product, service to a next level. Got it, my dear friends? Superb. And Janashankar says too, awesome, my dear friend. So I think you have a lot of new marketing strategies you are evolving and trying to implement in your business. Awesome, but still miles to go to become a world leader. And that is what we are going to explore today. So the mission of RS Money, founder of WOW Academy, is to enhance sales and digital marketing skills for 2,500 MSME entrepreneurs before December 31st, 2021 to make them leaders in their business. Okay, and we have achieved almost like 500 plus MSME entrepreneurs till February 2021, and we are reaching more. Okay, so we hope we are achieving this with all your support. So these are all few of our participants, offline and online, who have come on board and then got training from our institute, our platform, WOW Academy. So now, my dear friend, the real game starts. I'm going to take you back, rewind back to history of India in 16th century. From 2021, we are going back to 16th century. Are you all ready? So now my first question is, what was India before 16th century? Especially in business. Especially in business, what was India? Can anybody tell me what was India in the World Forum? What was India before 16th century? We were doing business all over the globe. Am I right? We were doing especially the trading business. We were actually trading spices, lot of handicraft products. Am I right? To European countries through Egypt and also Southeast Asian countries through Vietnam, Indonesia, Java, Gonzo, China, and all those people. Am I right? So now my question to you all, how much was India's market share in world economy? Can anybody guess? Out of 100 being the world economy, in 16th century, how much we were holding? Was it 1%, 5%, 10%, 25%, or 50%, or 100%? What was it? What was it? Janam Shankar says 1%. In 16th century, my dear friend, we were world leader. How come 1%? Pankaj says 25. Rajdatta says 25. How about others? How about others? This statistics is something mind-boggling, my dear friends. Knowing about our ancestors. Okay, so 27%. Maya says. Rajdatta says 25%. So it is 27% we were holding in the global economy, and we together with China, how much we were holding? Any guess? We were holding 60%. We were holding together 60%. So almost these two countries were holding the entire market share of the world economy. But what happened after 1947? After a British rule for almost 250 to 300 years, what happened to India? How much we were holding in 1947? Just 2%. Just 2%. Okay, now, presently in 2019-21, any guess how much we are holding now? Can you use a chat box and type it? In 2019, after 75 years of independence, any improvements we have? If so, how much we are? Can you share it? 7%, good. 3%, superb. How about others? 5%, Rajdatta says. How about others? My dear friends, even after 17 years, we are able to achieve only 3.28%, my dear friend. So now it is not 10%. 10%, if you have achieved in 75%, every person in India would have been so happy. Okay, but we are just achieved only 3.28%, my dear friends. How many of you feel this is important information? Those who are in business, just type yes. And those who feel that this is a new fact I have heard, and I myself being in the business for more than 2 decades, I have seen this facts through a scientist only about a year back. Okay, so how many of you have seen this is a new fact and which is very important for every business owner to look back? Look back. Yes, you're right, Swarna. It is 27% we were holding has come down to 3%. Yes, you are right. So it's really alarming, isn't it? It's really alarming. And now my question to you, how many of you are ready to recreate the history again? Yes, no. How many of you are ready to recreate this history? It may not be like immediate, but by 2050, we can increase our 3 point odd to 15% by around, let me just, okay, 2071, we can reach around 30% global economy. But it is not the government which is going to support you. Government definitely will support. But we as a business owner, marketing professionals, trainers, have to change our mindset. Looking at our ancestor, they have done it, my dear friends. Are you ready to do it and recreate this history? Type in the chat box. Please type in the chat box if you are ready to recreate this history. Yes, so that I am going to reveal why I am so confident that it is possible is because when you follow the 4 pillars for your business growth, yes, it is possible. That's what we are going to see. You may have a big question. You can be open. There are people who type no also. I'm not ready to come. I don't have my own faith whether we can achieve it, but we are going to definitely try it. Okay, Maya, I will come to your question, no doubt. I will come to your point later at the end of the session. So are you ready, Maya, to join hands with us to recreate the history of 30% of the global economy by 2071? It may not be you completely get involved. 0.001% of your effort is going to transform altogether, making it 30%. Are you ready? How many of you are ready here? I can see a lot of yes. Swan, Vijay, Gio Satish, Adi Mulam, Janardhan, and I would love to hear from each one of you if you are ready. And I'm going to tell you how it is possible. Okay. So this session, it will open up a new world to most of the participants here, my dear friends, who feel I have a great product but don't know how to market it. I face a big competition in my business. If you feel so, this session is going to be a game changer for you. I have no profit or a very little profit in my services and products. If you feel so, this session is going to change it. I don't have a huge budget, money to market my product. If you have this problem, you are going to have the solution here through 4 secret pillars for your business growth. Superb. Suvarna, I understand this session definitely will be a game changer for you, my dear friend. Okay, so that we are going to reveal through 4 secret pillars. So those are in business. Can you type, how many of you are business owners here? Just type BO. Those who are already an employee, just type E, employee. Those who are a trainer, just type T. Those who are a consultant, type C. Those who are a homepreneur, just type H. Those who are student, type S. Okay, awesome. Business owner, 3 business owners I could see. How about others? Others, just type O. Okay, C, super. Consultant, Vijay is a consultant. Okay, BO, fantastic, awesome. If you are not among whatever I told, just type O so that I can understand you may be a retired employee or maybe a government employee. Okay, a lot of consultants are there, business owners are there. Awesome, my dear friends. So let us just dive in. Okay, so the first pillar for your business growth, what is that? It is market. So this is the first pillar for you. Counseling. Okay, super, awesome. So market is the first pillar. So now, my dear friends, what do you understand by this word called market? Can you share your thoughts? What you see as a business owner, market is a platform where you have customers, correct? You have customers. You will have a lot of buying, products are there. You have a lot of customers are there, as I told you. There will be a lot of buying happening. There will be a lot of selling happening. But much more than that, as a business owner, what do you see in this platform called market? Can anybody tell? Reaching the customer looking for service or goods. Superb. How about others? I want you to take a goggle called business owner goggle and wear it. And now you need to look at this market. What exactly you will be looking at? Can anybody share the thought? People, okay. Customers, fine. Target customers, all are fine. Still, I want you to go deep in. Please go deep in. Ready to buy to solve his problem? Awesome. Superb. I will explain with a small example. Every week, you are asked by your wife or maybe mother to go to the shop and buy groceries and then vegetables and all those to your house. Why? Every week you go, buy it and bring to your house. A family of, like, you have mother, you have father, yourself, your wife, and then your children's, 2 children you have, so 6 of you. You make sure you go every week, buy groceries, vegetables, fruits, and come back. Why you do this? Why you do this? Why you do this, my dear friend? Why you go to the market and buy all this and come back to your home? Every week you do this. Maybe once in 2 weeks you do this. Why you do this? We need it. Fantastic. If you don't get it, what will happen? Swarna, what will happen if you don't get it regularly? It is a basic need. I agree with it. But if you don't bring it for the next 1 month, 2 months, what will happen for your family? What will happen? What will happen, my dear friends? If you don't bring, we search and find how to get it. Okay, the point here is you don't bring it, my dear friend. You don't bring it. What will happen to you? What will your wife do? She may not cook. Am I right? She may not cook. And finally, what will happen? What will happen? Final, go deep in. Please go deep in. Please go deep in. Your wife is not going to cook. Am I right? If your mother is not going to cook, if they are not going to cook, what you are going to do? You may not be able to eat every day your food. If you don't eat every day for the next 2 days, 3 days, what is going to happen? Come on, my dear friends. Put your deep thought. Put your deep thought. Ready-made meals are all fine. You are also not allowed to buy ready-made meals. Death. You may have hunger, correct? You will have hunger. And then you are bound to die if you don't eat for 1 week, 10 days, correct? So you are asked to go and buy fruits, vegetables, and groceries to solve the problem of survival, correct? There is a demand in every house for, as you said, day-to-day home needs. That's a demand. Okay. So what exactly is the problem you are solving is what? Hunger. Am I right? So that is what is the key. Every customer, every prospective customer in the market has got some problem and you are paid for solving that problem. Can you type in the chat box, what is the one problem you are solving for your customers? Can you type it, my dear friends? Most of the business owners are not able to pinpoint what exactly is the problem they are solving, because they are almost in the rat race of just supplying whatever the product they have. What is the one problem you're solving? Can you type? Their digital marketing need is what Maya is solving. Well done. How about others? Don't go to the top layer. You cannot. Why you are not? You are going and buying vegetables, fruits, and groceries not to cook, but to make sure your hunger doesn't last. That is the deep. Even this digital marketing needs, you have to tell deep in Maya. What exactly is the problem you're solving? Still go in deep in. Both working couples adjustment problem. Go deep in. What will erupt when this problem is not solved? Because when I told that small story, what will happen at the end is die. I am actually safeguarding the person going every week, buying their home needs and coming. That is what is the problem you're solving. Career related issue, balancing the work and family life for students and working professionals. Okay, fine. So please dive in deep. What exactly is the problem you're solving? It is not just go the top layer. I'm giving the digital marketing need is not the problem solving. It's not a problem solving. What is the problem solving? You are trying to build their business, getting them leads, getting them prospective customers in this competitive world. That is the problem you are solving. That you are using tools to do that. But final ultimate problem what you are solving should be in a layman words. I will get you prospective quality customers or prospective leads to get you paying customers. Okay, so that is what you need to look at. So now I'm going to tell you one more real-time story which happened very recently. Last Sunday, my wife called me and told there is a water leaking from the damaged tap. Okay, and immediately to save water, I thought of just replacing the tap immediately. So I just had two things in my mind before I went. One was I need to buy a branded tap with minimum 1 year warranty. The second one was my budget should be between 850 to 1000. So that is my two condition before I started. First, I went to a shop called Jaguar. Okay, so there, good customer support, service was good. The manager, I showed the tap, sample tap, and he immediately took a equivalent tap and told me that this is an equivalent tap at a cost of 1100 rupees with a 3-year warranty. So my question to you, those are all live on Facebook and put on the chat box. Will you buy the tap? Those are on Zoom can use the chat box and type, will you buy this tap, Jaguar tap? Yes, no. Can you type in the chat box, will you buy the tap? Yes, no, type it. Rajdatta says yes, Vijay says yes, Sadish says yes, Amol says yes, Janan Shankar says yes. Super. Anybody says no? No, I will not take a decision now. I will still explore more because you have decided the budget is 850 to 1000, but this is 100 rupees more. It's exceeding my budget, isn't it? So anybody here says no. Okay, Swarna says no. Okay, so now the same thing with me. What I thought is, let me explore. I will not take a decision, yes or no. Let me explore more. And I went to the next shop. The next shop is actually a local hardware shop where I showed the sample tap. Immediately he took one more product equivalent and told this is just 450 rupees, but no guarantee or replacement warranty. Now, my dear friends, please tell me, will I buy the tap? Very economically priced. Will I buy it? Yes or no? Please use the chat box and type. No. Amol says, Swarna says yes, let me try. That's what he's saying. Vijay says no. Sadish says no. My answer is also no, for the reason not only for the pricing, my dear friend. Just imagine I have bought this tap and then fixed it. So while fixing the tap, if the tap breaks, what happened? I need to go and get a replacement tap, pay 450 extra, no problem. But the time and energy of additional 2 more hours, what I need to spend is wasted, isn't it? How many of you feel so? That is more valuable, isn't it? So I also decided a clear no for buying this tap. Now I still explored and went to the next shop called Parryware. The Parryware, good service support, customer care was good, and they gave me, my dear friend, this is an equivalent tap available at a cost of 1,000 rupees with a 2-year warranty. For my surprise, the manager there told me there is a special offer going on, customer. So today we have a special offer of 699 rupees. So how many of you will buy the tap here? Please type it on the chat box. Those who are all live, use a comment and type it. How many of you? Amol says me. How about others? How many of you will buy the tap here in Parryware? Only Amul will buy. How about others? Can everybody use the chat box? No means type no, no problem. If you don't want to buy, type no. Okay, Sadish says no, fantastic. Manoj Sultan says yes. Sadish, if no means give the reason also. That will be very good for all the participants here. Why you prefer something else? Okay, okay, okay. Sadish says okay, fine. So now he has made the mind, I hope, to buy from Parryware. So my dear friends, now I want to ask you, being one tap saving few hundreds is not the point. Just imagine for your new building, you need to buy 25 such taps. You will be saving a lot of money. Am I right? Still, you are not compromising on the quality of the product. Am I right? So my question to you is, putting yourself in my shoes, what is the experience, or what is the experience? What is the feedback you find in yourself buying this tap from Parryware? Can you type what will be your feeling? I decided to buy, not in the local hardware, not in high expensive Jaguar, but with the Parryware, because I got a very special offer today. What is the special offer? 699 with 2-year warranty. Okay, so now my dear my question to you, what will be my experience? What will be my experience? Will I be happy, or will I be sad? Will I be excited? Will I feel the value for money? What exactly will I feel? Can you use the chat box and type what kind of a feeling will I have? That's more important. Value for money. Okay, fine. How about others? How about others? What exactly is your feeling? That's more important. This is one of the most important question of this today's session. What exactly? Because you are talking about the customer psychology, my dear friends. The customers are looking for value for money, more value for the money what they are paying. So that is what I feel I have got in Parryware. How many of you feel so? How many of you feel so that I got something more value for the money what I have paid? Vijay says yes. I want you all to pour more energy on the room, my dear friends. So you pour more energy, you will get more from me. How many of you feel so that, okay, so Janan Shankar also feels so. So now my important question to you, my dear friend, this is the question. This is the most important question. How many of you have given this kind of an experience, value for money, happiness, to at least 80% of your customer? Type in the chat box. If no, type no. Yes, type yes. Because since 2004, I'm into business. Till 2015, I didn't feel the customer care is most important. Only after 2015, I realized why my customers are going to my competitors. I realized the importance of the customer care, and I started to give the most importance to my customers, to take care of them. How many of you feel? I see awesome. Vijay says yes. Janan Shankar says yes. Vijay says again yes. And Raj Dada. Fantastic. Awesome. Awesome to see you that you are giving the utmost importance for the customer care. Fantastic. Awesome. Hats off to you. Anybody feeling that, no, I'm yet to improve my customer care? This is the most important. This is the right time for you to do that. This is the right time for you to do that. I mean, not 10% of your customers happy, 25%. It is at least 80% above of your customers should be happy. There may be what to say, like sad customers, no doubt. Unsatisfied customers, 10%. Okay, fine. But it should not be less than that. Okay. So now the point is, you should know the key point. Whenever you look at this first pillar, customer problem is what you need to look at. Okay. And you should give the maximum, the best customer experiences to your customers. Okay. Now, customer problem is the key. And how many of you have got marketing blueprint for your products? Just imagine you are a manufacturer of a flask like this. This is a flask. Okay, you are a manufacturer of this flask which can retain hot milk, water for more than 24 hours. Do you have, like this, you have your own products, am I right? Do you have a marketing blueprint for your product? Don't confuse between marketing plan for your business and marketing blueprint for your product. Do you have that? Yes or no? Use the chat box. If you do have, how many marketing blueprint you have for one product? This is some great learning for you, my dear friends. Do you have a marketing blueprint for your product? Please use the chat box. Yes, no? If so, how many marketing blueprint you have? No. Okay, Suvarna says no. How about others? Do you have? Yes, no? Kiran says no. Amol says no. Marketing blueprint means exactly. Good. That's a good question. What is all about marketing blueprint? Marketing blueprint is nothing but it is a script you create to market your product. Okay. So how will it be? It will be targeting a specific audience who are unaware of their products, making them problem aware, and then making them solution aware. Then you pitch your product, making your product aware, and tell about your USP, unique selling proposition of your product, including the testimonials. So many lakhs of flask I have sold till now. And finally, telling them to buy your product with your special offer. This is called marketing blueprint, my dear friends. Thank you, Janan Shankar. So do you have this kind of a marketing blueprint? So my dear friend, I ask you one important question. This flask, how many different audience you have? It's a very, very simple question. I think everybody can answer. Who all your audience for this flask? Hot, water, milk, everything you can keep it hot, isn't it? Hot water and everything. So who is the audience for this flask? Who is your audience for that flask? It may be, come on, everybody. Who is the audience for a flask which can keep milk as well as hot water hot for 24 hours? Tea also, yeah, you can keep the tea. My dear friend, who is your audience? I'm not asking the product to what product you're going to keep it inside. My question is, who is your audience whom you will be selling this product? Who is your audience whom you will sell this product? Elderly people, patients, am I right? Then sports person, Come on, my dear friends. I want you to trigger your mind and then pour more energy. Office goers, superb. Those who go for office, they can take their tea from home. Office employees, elder people, travelers, superb. What else? Who all? Students. Students can go, isn't it? Fine. So now, for every target audience, will the script be same or different? Old age homes, superb. Hostels. Now I see a lot of energy being poured. Well done. Students, superb. So will the script be same or different? Different. Will the script be same or different? So how many marketing blueprint can I have for this simple product? Is it one, two, or more? Many. Am I right? Many. You can keep making many. Like that, for your product also, you should create as many number of marketing blueprints. Got it, my dear friends? And then after making the script, you should tell a story. How many of you will remember the story Damaged Tap, which I explained few minutes before? Even after we meet after 2-3 weeks or 5 weeks or 7 weeks or 6 months, how many of you feel, my dear friend, I will never forget this damaged tap. I know from where you bought it. Even I know what is the cost you bought it. How many of you feel so? Lifetime. Swarna says lifetime she will not forget. How about others? That is the power of stories. You should create your product sales story, my dear friends. Okay. So whatever you want to tell your customers, you have to tell them as a story. Got it? How many of you have got a sales story for your products? Very, very less. People directly pitch the product. You should not do that. You have to tell about their problem, then tell about a solution, and then only tell about your product. Understood? So this is an awesome video I'm going to show you, which will explain about the customer mindset in India and also worldwide. Please focus on this video. It's a very, very fantastic video. You will love it. And after watching this video, we will interact more. Tell me also like you are able to hear the voice. That's more important. Okay. Oh, no, sir. Sorry for that. Let me just open up the sound also. Thanks for sharing that. Okay. Let the platform. Did you not hear the sound? Let me play it again for you. Okay, so now my question to you is, how many of you feel you are one among them? You saw so many customers, am I right? How many of you feel that I am one among them? Anybody here? How many of you feel that I am also looking for value for every rupee I spend? Isn't it? Most of the people will feel so. Thank you, Vijay, for sharing. To be open that I am one among them. Everybody. I will share that I actually went to a brand factory to buy garments. That time I found that there was a brand called Lee Cooper who have got shoes. A shoe which was worth about 8,000 rupees. And there was a special offer going on there. Just it was a 50% cost, less than 50, 3,000. So immediately I didn't have the mindset, the brand, best product and pricing, swipe the card and bought it. Still I use that Lee Cooper brand. So that is the power of people. They are looking for value for whatever the rupee they pay. Thank you. Thank you for each one of you for sharing that. So you should also make sure you give at least 10x value of the customers what the money they pay for you. Got it, my dear friends? At least 10x you should pay. That's what I feel. So that makes the people to trust you. You understand? So that you can journey with them for a very, very long time. Lifetime you can journey with them. So now let us just go again to this market. This is a very important principle called Pareto principle, which explain 80% of the effort what you put is resulting 20%. Gets a 20% result. But 20% of your efforts, what you put on your business, yields 80% of your business or results. So this is all about Pareto principle. So it is all because of that 80% business. What you get is because of the psychology, understanding the customer psychology. They give orders. It's all because of you and the mindset of the people. Only 20% is due to strategies. Okay. So I say people, my participant, that if you understand your customers well, 50% of your business is already done. Will he buy the product from him? What is his problem? Am I having a product to solve their problem? And the right way, whether I have a marketing blueprint to talk to my customers in a best way, this all decide at least 50% you make through on your sales. How many of you believe that? Type in the S in the chat box. Those who are live, use the comment and then type S in the chat box. So you need to learn the customer psychology. Is it possible to get connected with 500 plus customers in 30 seconds? If Maya is there, please confirm, is it possible? You should learn that technique. Why you lose your order even when your pricing is lowest? Have you ever thought about, I have lost my order even though my price is L1, why so? You should know that. Create marketing blueprint with MOT techniques. You should learn that and you should keep on creating marketing blueprint for that. Talk your perfect selling story. You should learn it, the skills. These are all the skills which will make you better to become a world leader in your business. This is the first pillar we have come across now. Shall we go to the second pillar? Are you all ready to go to the second pillar? Just type 2P in the chat box. Let us dive into the second pillar. The second pillar is called message. What do you mean by message? Message is nothing but you have the target audience, you know their problem, and you have a solution that is in your mind, correct? So you need to communicate to your audience so that they understand, yes, this person has a product which will solve my problem, correct? There are 4 ways how you can create your messages. Can anybody tell the 4 ways? There are 4 ways how you can create messages. Number 1, you can create using script or text. You write a blog text. The second one is you have an audio message which can be used as a podcast. The third one is you create a visionary image-based solution or a message to people. A poster. The fourth one is a video which has got the highest level. People will remember your service to them. That is called videos. Which is more powerful here? There are 4 ways how you can create your messages, my dear friends. The first one is blog, second is audio podcast, posters, and finally you have videos. In this, which one you feel is most powerful? Videos. Absolutely, videos are the best skill. How many of you here have made videos for their products and services? How many of you have made videos for your services? I make at least 1 video every week to promote my products and services. How many of you are there? If you don't make videos, type no. If you make videos, type yes, comma, number of videos every month, like 2 videos, 4 videos, or 1 video. No, 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 no. No. That is the reason 70% of the business owners fail in India. You can see this. But no worry, we are all here to make sure we learn that skill of video making. Really alarming, isn't it? Almost like 70-80% of the crowd says no. We don't make videos. This is one of the important skills you need to learn. You cannot hire a professionals to make videos. So whatever the profit you make, you need to pay for them, correct? So you should have a team in-house, or you yourself as a MSME business owners or a small business owners or a trainer or a coach, career counselors, you should do your own videos, my dear friends. So you should learn this important skill if you really want to recreate the history. If you really want to become a market leader in your products. How many of you feel I will learn this skill very soon? Type learn. Let me understand. How many of you want to take a commitment that let me immediately take an action of learning this skill? Videos are more, why videos are more captivating? Superb. Satish, thank you. Amol, thank you. Thank you for responding. The reason why I ask you to respond is whatever you put on the chat box, it goes to your subconscious mind and you take action. Okay. So why videos are more important for people who are loving logical facts here? Videos are more captivating than text and also audio, or even more than images. 95% of the viewers more likely remember a call to action, what to do next. They remember that. Whether to buy this product or not, they decide on that. Okay, rather than reading a text. Video marketing as a lead generation channel you can have. Video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year. Videos engage user for a longer period of time in your website. How many of you got a website in your for your business? Just type W. If you have videos on your website, type W, V. W, V. I have a website with videos in it. Because whenever you have an audience entering inside your website, you have to make sure you engage them and make them to be available. Learn about the products and services, whatever you have. That is best explained through videos. Fantastic. Vijay has got website. How about others? This is also like most of the people doesn't have a website. Just type NW. I don't have a website. It's the right time for you to start. The digital phase of your product, services, your business has to be only through website. How many of you feel I don't have a website? NW. Right time to start looking for making website. Superb. Satish, it's right time for us to start. Swarna, it's right time to start up having a website. That's more important. Okay. Right. Videos are all of 2 types. 2 ways how you can make videos. One is called self-portrait video. The other one is called animated video. What is all about self-portrait video? You talk before the camera and then you tell about the problem your prospective customers are facing and telling this is the solution and I have a product for you. which can solve your problem. So if you come on the camera and talk, what is the advantage? What is something great? People start trusting you. Correct? That's the most advantage of a self-portrait video. Animated video is more like capturing the audience attention. Got it? Capturing the audience attention. A lot of people are already on the camera talking. But if an animated character come and talk about your product and services, will it be really interesting for you? How many of you have seen Tom and Jerry, Dora Buji, Doraemon, Ching Chang? You love those kind of a cartoon even now. Am I right? You love to watch again and again and again. You don't get boredom. Same thing holds good for your product video on an explainer. I mean animated videos. So both are equally important. First, you start with self-portrait video, talking about your products and services on the camera. Then you go into animation video where a character come and talk about their products. Okay? You're not able to see my video. Can't see your video, sir. Which video? Swarna, I'm not sure what exactly you mean. Are you not able to see me on the camera? I mean, are you able to all see me on the camera, my dear friends? Are you able to see me? Me. How about others? So what all skills you need to learn on video making is all here. You should learn the skill of script making. Script is the king of videos. So start, this is the learning tool for you. Anybody else? If you feel like you are not able to see me, please let me know. Are you able to see me? You have some problem, not able to see me? Hope you are able to see me, everybody. Okay, so let me continue. See clearly. Okay, super. Thank you. So create an impressive script is more important. You should learn the art of writing script about your products. And then what you need to learn next? You should learn how to face the camera and talk confidently. You should talk without seeing the script. You must have made the script, but you should learn the art of talking on the camera without seeing the script. You will learn it. How to start your video and end your video. What is the duration of your video? That's also most important. There are 3 different type of audience you have, like cold audience who don't know anything about you, warm audience who know something about you, and hot audience who have already bought products from you. For all these people, you have to make different videos. One video cannot be the same for all these 3 audience, okay? So you should understand that, and you should also understand how to shoot your video using a mobile phone or a professional cameras. So what else you should learn? You should learn after you shoot your video, you should learn how to edit it. Because you must have done some mistake whenever you talk, you should know how to trim, cut that portion. And you should also learn how to split your video. Like if your video is too long, you should learn how to split that video. Like you have series of 2 or 3 videos talking about a specific problem which you are addressing. And also you should learn this new technique where you have to have an image of the product, whatever you talk, then and there it should pop up. And you should also know the text should scroll on the bottom, your name, your contact number. And you should also learn how to add background music to your video. And finally, you should know how to shoot a green mat video. More important. How many of you have heard about green mat video? It's something very interesting. You should learn that. And then finally render the video, and you should do how I can upload these videos onto my YouTube channel. How many of you have a YouTube channel? My dear friends who are live in Facebook, also the people who are in Zoom, please use the chat box and type, do you have a YouTube channel? If so, just type YT. And you can type the YouTube channel also, so that this is a great opportunity. People can subscribe for your channel. Amol had got YouTube. Type your YouTube channel name so that people here, participants here can subscribe to your channel. How to create a thumbnail, that's more important. You may have done the best of best video, but for people to decide to click on your video, I mean the customer to click on your video, is all because of the thumbnail. The thumbnail is nothing but a poster which you have on the top of the video. Got it? On the top of the video, you will have a poster with a great caption. That makes the people to click on the video and watch the video. So it is not about making a great video, but to make a great thumbnail is more important. Okay, so now shall we enter to the third pillar? Just type 3P. Superb, Amol. Sure, I will subscribe to yours also. Third pillar, shall we enter into the third pillar? Just type 3P in the chat box or in the comment box if you're live on Facebook. So let us bring the third pillar now. So the third pillar is called media. So what do you mean by media? So you have all your content ready on the left side, and you have all your target audience on the right side. So you need to bridge it. You need to take all these messages to your audience, correct? So how can you bridge this gap? It is all using media. So you have different media, traditional and digital, both. Like internet is a digital, television is a traditional, newspaper is traditional, radio, magazine, these are all traditional. My point to you, even though we are in the digital era, so many digital products are available. You need to look at balancing both traditional and digital sphere. It is not like since digital marketing has come, you fully focus. Most of the people do that. Fully focus on digital marketing. It's something wrong. You should balance it. You should be doing both. Then only you can reach the maximum customer, because 60 to 70% of your customers still is not ready with the digital marketing. How many of you believe that I need to focus on both? That is called hybrid marketing. That I call the terminology called hybrid marketing, and you should focus on both. No doubt, digital marketing will help you with a very low cost, take to more number of audience. Depending on your business, still you need to focus on traditional marketing methods also, like newsletters, print media, radio, television. All this may definitely work. Magazines, all that will definitely work. Even there are other tools other than social media, like you have SMS. I have a different program next Sunday. The session is called Boost Your Sales, which is a paid session, very minimally priced. You can come and join, where I'm going to deep dive into 7 tools which will take your business to next level. Okay, so no doubt, as everybody says, digital sphere is very good. Can you type which media you are using right now? Use a chat box and the comments. Tell me what is the tool you are using right now to promote your products and services. Keep typing it. Are you using newsletters, or are you using email? Are you using print media, radio, television, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Google Ads, WhatsApp? Which one you are using? FB. Okay. Insta. How about others? Keep typing, keep typing. And the point here is, most of the people will use only 1 or 2 channel, which will actually slow down your visibility. You got it? So you should at least use 7 different channels to reach your customers. Google Ads, WhatsApp, super. You should use multiple channels to reach your customers. Got it? So that we will deep dive next week, Sunday morning 10:10, where you will learn the rule of 7 in marketing. The rule of 7 in marketing. How many of you know that? I don't know. But this is one of the greatest way to market your products and services. Okay, so this got emerged in USA in 1930s. Okay, so we'll be exploring more on that. Vijay is fantastic, awesome. Google Ads, Facebook, YouTube, and few of you are all in WhatsApp. And I want you all to look for opportunity choosing multiple channels to promote your products and services. Okay, fine. So now, is it possible for you to get 500 customer leads in 24 hours just spending 10,000 rupees? Is it possible? Yes, no? Type in the chat box. Yes, no, yes, maybe. Keep typing in the chat box. Is it possible? Question again. The question is displayed there. Can you get 500 plus customer leads in 24 hours, spending 10,000 rupees? Superb. Adi Moolan, fantastic. Janan Shankar. Yes, why not? Amul says, yeah, superb, awesome. I can see that energy. Have you done it? My next question. Have you done it? Have you done it for your business? If it is possible, what is stopping you to do it for your business? Just spending 10,000 is not a big game altogether, isn't it? Isn't it? Amu has done. Awesome. What have you? What is the number of leads you have brought within 24 hours? Spending how much? Please share it on the chat box. Amu, and what is the product you deal? That will bring a great insight to the co-participants here. So here I'm showcasing you the fact it has been done, and this is for promoting one product. Spending 12,288, we got 820 prospective leads, reaching 1,41,120 customers. Awesome, isn't it? Awesome. So the fact of why digital marketing is very good is you are able to track them. You can take some decisions how you can budget or how you can do remarketing. So see the slide here. This we are actually promoting one product to different segment of Indian market. Gujarat, Andhra, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Delhi. So if you see here, we have got the leads from Gujarat 137, Andhra 115, Maharashtra 160, Tamil Nadu 113, and Delhi is 121. Which one leads? Which region has given us the maximum lead? Can you use the chat box and type? Please use the comment box to type which region has given the maximum lead. Is it Gujarat, Andhra, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, or Delhi? Come on, my dear friends. Maharashtra, Amu says. Fantastic. How about others? How about others? So now, being 160 leads from Maharashtra, just spending 1,060 rupees. If you want to retarget that product, which location will you retarget? Where you will budget more, where you will have more money. Adi Moolan, please look into the slide properly. It's not Tamil Nadu, it's Maharashtra. Maharashtra, you will retarget, you will spend more money. Isn't it? Isn't it? You will be amazed. Do you want to know what is the product which has brought more leads from Maharashtra rather than Tamil Nadu or Andhra? You have maximum leads coming from Maharashtra, Gujarat. Do you want to know what is this product? Are you interested to know what is this product which has got more requirement, demand in Maharashtra and then in Gujarat compared to Tamil Nadu and Andhra? Sure, definitely, Amu. This is a product for, it's a spiritual product, yoga based product for stress free. So stress free. So it's very clear the audience there in Mumbai, Maharashtra are looking for relaxing their mind. Isn't it? Exactly, Amu. It's mind blowing, no doubt. You are able to understand the business mindset of people just running a campaign. Okay, superb. So now let us just go to the next. These are all something more. Even 1,500 leads you can generate just spending 18,000 rupees. But the time is ticking, my dear friends. So many people are coming into Facebook. So competition is building day by day. Day by day, competition is building. So right time, if you want the cost to get one lead, very less cost if you want, better cost per lead if you need to start immediately. Okay, so you too can generate 1,000+ leads, prospective leads, and you have two options. What are they? Option one, hire digital agency, ask them to make creative and promote your products and services and get hundreds of leads but spend lakhs of rupees. The second option is learn Facebook marketing yourself. Still promote your products and services in Facebook, get hundreds of leads and save lakhs of rupees. Which option will you prefer to take? Type in the chat box. Which option will you prefer to take? One or two? Keep typing. What is the option you prefer to take? Raj Datta feel one is better. Good. How about others? Can you explain, Raj Datta, why one is better? You want to hire experts, correct? I will not say because I know FB already. You will not say, are you into digital agency, Amu? If so, my humble suggestion will be you should do both. You should learn, still hire somebody, make them to do it for at least 1 to 3 months, then you and your team should take over. How many of you feel this will be a great idea? Most of the people, they learn, but they don't implement. Some people who hire an agency, try once or twice and feel their wallet is being burnt, they stop doing Facebook marketing. My humble suggestion is you should learn, you should hire, make them to run, understand the tips and tricks what they are using for the next 3 months, and then you and your team should do it on your own so that you can save lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Got it, my dear friends? So why you need to learn? You know what is the language your agency is talking. That's more important. Okay, so these are all few of the campaign which my participants have learned from me and they have run and then they have got results. And I have helped a few of the people to run their campaign. Then slowly I train them how they can take it over themselves and then run on their own. So you too can do Facebook marketing, my dear friends. So these are all few of the samples, campaigns, how it should look like. So this is all few. How many of you have seen me on Facebook ad and joined today? How many of you have just typed FB? How many of you have seen my Insta ad and joined me today? Just type INSTA. Who have seen in WhatsApp and joined today's program? Just type WhatsApp. Those who have seen an SMS and joined today, just type SMS. Email and joined today, just type email. Okay, how you know about me? WhatsApp, Insta. Anybody has seen my Facebook ad and then joined WhatsApp? Okay, super. WhatsApp is really powerful, my dear friends, no doubt. You should not leave WhatsApp. FB. Okay, Raj Datta has seen my Facebook ad and joined today. So this is the reason I say you should be in different channels. Maybe if I have not put my ad in FB, I would have missed Raj Datta. I would have missed Adi Moolan. If I have done only in WhatsApp, I would have missed these people. Got it, my dear friends? So you should use different channels. And you should also love to use videos on your channels so that it gives you the maximum leverage of your services. There are two ways you get enquiries in social media, my dear friends. There are only two ways. The first way is you create awareness and generate leads. That is all done in Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You create awareness. And then through your videos, post, blog, and all those are your posters, and you generate leads. What's the second way? People are already aware of the problem and they're looking for solution. Where will they look? They look in Google search. They look in YouTube search. So when they search for the solution, your product should come. I could see a few of the people are doing SEOs. So this is the second way you should do that. You should learn that also. And you can hire agency to do that. Later, have your own in-house team to do that. Same way. This is advanced. Step 1 is Facebook, Insta. Step 2 will be Google Ads and then YouTube marketing. So learn now, learn in future. Are you all ready to learn your skills? So Facebook marketing, what all I need to learn? You should learn how to create an impressive, profitable Facebook ad campaign. That's more important. I tell to my audience, very, very simple words. Facebook is like a theater. What is that? It is like a movie hall where your business movie is released. Got it, my dear friends? What is the best theater in your city where you go and love watching that movie? Please use the chat box and comment and type the theater name with the city name. Type in the chat box, which is the best theater. You go for the audio effect, the good luxury seats, and good popcorns you get during the snacks time, the interval time, good snacks. Satyam in Chennai, how about others? Which is the best cinema hall you go and love to go and watch movies? PVR, Inox, Inox, super. How about others? Inox from Pune, Amul says. The point I ask you all, very important point. Rajdatta, Kolkata, super. Which is the hall you go and watch your movies, Rajdatta? Please type in the chat box. Home, okay, OTT has come. But my question is, just imagine, you go and watch, which is the best hall? Whether, very important question, whether all the movies screen in your best of best theater, has it been a hit or there had been a flop? The best of best cinema hall, you have screening lot of movies. Whether all the movies are hit or there had been a flop. There are flops, isn't it? Even though it is the best of best theater, you are having flop movies. Why? Because of two main reasons. The first reason is movie is not good. It doesn't have a good story, correct? It's not having a good story play, screenplay, I mean, best screenplay you don't have. The second reason is you make a documentary adult movie and you screen it in a kids audience. Will kids like that documentary movie? Yes or no? Type in the chat box. The same way in Facebook. Facebook is just a theater, my dear friends. If you are not able to create an awesome, impressive business movie, which really talk about the customer problem and you are addressing those problem, your money is wasted. Second is, you should learn the art of targeting your right audience. If you fail in these two, you may not be successful, even though you have the best of best theater called Facebook theater. How many of you got a very good clarity now about Facebook marketing? So you should understand. Just type, yes, it's something amazing, like I got a great clarity. Thank you, Amul. So what are the fundamental systems and logic of a successful business ad campaign you should learn? How many people are there in Facebook? Out of 136 crore population in India, we have almost 31 crore people are in Facebook. Out of 31 crore, 12 crore people are buyers and sellers, both together. And how many people are only sellers, business owners, traders? 5 crore people. Out of 5 crore people, 2.5 crore people are small value business owners. 1.5 crore people are mid-sized business owner, and 1 crore people are high ticket, high value business owners. So you should know the art of targeting your right audience. Got it, my dear friends? So that is more important. So you should also learn the 3 elements of Facebook ad post: how to target your audience, how to understand the interest of my target audience, what all the different Facebook has got 12 different type of campaigns you can run. You should learn which campaign will work for. You should multiple campaigns should run for one product. Deep dive in, we will do it in the next session. It is not only one campaign which you should run for one product of yours. Multiple campaign you should run so that you have the best performance and having the least cost per lead. So shall we enter into the 4th pillar, my dear friends? Just type 4P on the chat box and the comment box if you're live on Facebook. So the 4th pillar is called morph. What do you mean by morph? Let me take back to school days. Have you learned the life cycle of butterfly? You remember this on your biology book? Life cycle of butterfly. What is the name of this? This is called metamorphosis, transformation from egg to larva, larva to pupa, pupa to butterfly. Lovely, colorful looking butterfly, correct? So likewise, in your business process, you get so many leads through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, social media, and all those stuff, YouTube marketing. But these leads has to be converted into prospect. You should act on it or put efforts on it and then convert into your paying customer. Most of the customers have this as a great challenge. They are trying to run their Facebook campaign, get leads. But ultimate for any business owners, marketing professional is how many of them is converted into paying customers. Am I right? So you should know that art. That is called the sales funnel. This will help you how you can convert your leads to your paying customers. So that is called lead to deal. So when you want to increase your sales, definitely you should get more leads, no doubt. You should get more leads, no doubts. But leads alone will not help you. It's not enough. It's only half the work done. Most of the people who got leads, they don't have an automation tool so that immediately they respond to the inquiry, whatever you receive. How many of you got reminder SMS to join this program as an automated SMS comes to you? How many of you, please use the chat box and type. If you don't do that, what will happen is there will be a leakage, like what you see there. Your customer who may be willing to buy the products, but you are not making them to come and visit to the site and see your products, they may be lost to your customers. So please don't have lead leakage like this leaking buckets. So automation is the key. Just type AIK. You should, when you have an automation system, you can stop this lead leakage. So lead to deal, you should know this formula called LTDC, lead to deal conversion ratio or rate. If I give you 100 leads today to everybody here, prospective leads, how many of these 100 leads will you convert in 30 days? Can you use the chat box and type? And maybe if possible, type the product which you have. 100 enquiries, prospective leads I have given to you, each one of you. If I say 30 days is given, how many of that 30, in 30 days, how many of those leads, 100 leads you will convert into your billing customers? Use the chat box. Out of 100, how many will you convert? 20%, Vijay says 20%. How about others? Amu says 90%. Type the product name also so that people will understand what product you deal. Keep typing. It is not about 1% or 100% conversion which you make, because product to product, this LTDC rate will vary. If you have a high ticket product, for example, a villa house, a real estate product, it may be like out of 100, maybe only one conversion you make. Only one conversion you make. You got it? But the ticket size is more. The person would have made more margin than people who have converted 50 or 60% of their leads, just getting few hundreds or thousands as their profit. You got it? Amu is into CCTV and security products. Good. So you convert 90% is really awesome. Hats off to you. So what all you need to learn in this lead to deal is you should understand or have a sales funnel for your conversions. And also most important is you should have a proper impressive script to convert your prospective leads into a paying customer. I'd love to share you a real story which happened recently. I need to renew my car insurance. I had two options. One is from Reliance and another one is from ICICI. I'll tell you the real scenario. Reliance, the telecaller is not very, she is not technically strong. She's not commercially also strong. She just coordinates and connect me to the higher ups. The other side, ICICI, the person who talked to me was a decision maker, and she got a very, very strong script with her. And she was able to explain about her products and services in a nice way. And also the decision was made in favor of ICICI, even though the pricing was about 7.5% higher than Reliance, because of two reasons. One is they have their product has got the best claim ratio. The second reason is I was feeling so satisfied with the way that telecaller has convinced me, explained to whatever the questions I have asked. So that two thing plays a vital role. You got it, my dear friend? So your telemarketing team should have a proper script to convince your customers so that they become your paying customers. So you should learn that skill. And also follow up is very, very important. Most of the people, they follow up for twice and then feel they are not going to buy, but only at the 8th call, people will buy your products. Sales closing statistics you should analyze, and also you should know at what stage a sale really happened. You should have the statistics, and you should also learn the lead to deal secret formula. And also you should have a tracking sheet, which we provide, so that you can track whether the lead is in cold stage or warm or in the hot, and whether they are converted into a paying customer. So all these summarizing now, the first pillar is market, where we were talking about more on the customer psychology and also understanding the problem of the audience and getting the solution with you or your team, creating your solution. The second pillar is all about message. So whatever the solution you have, you create as a script. 4 different ways you can do that. One is message, is a text form. The other one is audio. The third one is you have a poster. Fourth one is a video. The third one is media. So you have your content ready. This content has to go and reach your target audience. You should have the proper media to do that. Finally, you have lot of leads coming. The leads has to be converted into your paying customer. So these are all the 4 secret pillars. Step by step, you should follow this to get maximum number of customers, my dear friends. So how many of you here feel clear? Yes, now I got it. These 4 pillars I need to follow to become one of the successful business owner or a marketing professional or a trainer in your domain. How many of you feel now confident? Just type confident. Now I am feeling confident. I got the clarity that I need to follow these 4 pillars so that I can convert maximum number of customers for my business. Super, Vijay. How about others? How about others? Confident. Super, Vijay. How about others? How many of you feel confident? Please type. Please type on the chat box. Amol says now she feels confident. Super. How about others? Those who are live on Facebook, please type on the comment box. Confident. Confident. How many of you want to strengthen these 4 pillars now? You have the world's first unique workshop to give you a one-stop solution to enhance your sales of your business. How many of you want to learn that? Superb. Adi Mulan, confident. Superb. Vijay, confident. Awesome. How many of you feel now confident that I got a clarity? My way is clear. I can see the target. I feel now confident that we can recreate the history again. I can become a market leader in my city, my state, my nation, and the world. Type confident in the chat box. Superb, Rajdatta. Awesome. So you need to strengthen these 4 pillars. How to do that? You have 4 programs. The first one is Secret Plus, which will strengthen your first pillar called market. You will learn the customer psychology. You will also learn how to create your marketing blueprint for your products. And you will learn how to tell your sales story. And also you will learn why you lost your order. And the most important, you will learn how to get 500 contacts in 30 seconds. Great, isn't it? It's a one-day program. And then the second one is strengthening your second pillar message. We have video making mastery, self-portrait to start with. Okay, so you will learn how to make an impressive script, how you can talk before the camera confidently, how to start your video, how to end your video, how to upload your videos on YouTube and get more number of subscribers, more number of viewers, more number of likes. All that you will learn. That is called video making mastery. This is a 2-day session. And then you have Facebook marketing mastery, where you have already made your content ready, both through the Secret Plus as well as video making mastery. Now you need to reach your audience. So Facebook is going to help you. When we talk about Facebook, it is also done for Instagram. It's a parallel job because it's a company together, same company. So whenever you do Facebook marketing, it will reflect in Instagram also. Okay, so you will reach 2 different audiences and I will train you. It's a 2-day program, how to create your Facebook ad post, impressive ad post, and then how to target your audience and how to run your Facebook ad by yourself. Okay, then finally we have a program, 1-day program called Lead to Deal, where all the leads which you receive in Facebook, how you have an automated system so that your customers are always in touch. Okay, maybe on automation system or maybe on phone calls. You should learn how to write your impressive script, telemarketing impressive script, how you can talk and convince your customers, and the tools which will give you a dashboard where your customer is really in now, which position are they in, warm or on cold or hot, or they are converted, through where they got this inquiry. That is also more important. Okay, right. So all together we call this as a 4-pillar combo. How many of you want to learn this? How many of you want to learn this? Please use the chat box and type. How many of you want to learn all these 4 programs so that you can strengthen your 4 pillars? Thank you, Vijay. You want to learn. How about others? How about others? How many of you want to learn these 4 skills which can strengthen and make you from the level what you are at least 20% more? Super. Practical training, all are live. It's not video. All program are live. We provide you a handhold support. We will make you to implement and then get results. Okay, so when is this program? The program starts from next week. It is on 30th June, we have Secret Plus. Then we have 1st and 2nd July, we have Video Making Mastery. And then we have Facebook Marketing Mastery on 5th July and 6th July. And then we have finally the Lead to Deal on 7th July. Between all the program or 6 to 9, 6 to 8:30, and we have a Q&A. Okay, almost around 2.5 hours to 3 hours program. And what is the price? Amu says, what is the price? This is the price what my clients have told me. The value of the product, my dear friends. Don't get shocked. Okay, fine. So what is the special price for you today? For the closed audience who are here, it is just 4576. How many of you feel it's a very, very affordable product for you to take your business to the next level? How many of you feel? And for the people who are going to book today are going to get a bonus worth of 32,000 rupees. It's not going to end there. Keep watching and also make sure you get your gifts. You're going to have a lifetime WhatsApp support. We have 4 different groups: Secret Plus group, Facebook, Wow Creators, Lead to Deal. And as I told you, we have almost 700 plus people already on board. So you're going to be a part of those groups where you can promote your business also. And we are also going to have a 60-minute assessment meeting, which happens once in 90 days, where you can come and then showcase what is the results you have brought, what all the challenges you have, so that I will address for all your challenges and solve your problem. And as I told you, you can promote your business in our group and you can earn money. Whatever money you invest now, you can take back in two weeks to 4 weeks, a maximum 6 weeks. Purely depends on you, no doubt, and also your products. But a lot of people are making money. So whatever they invested, they are able to take back. And also you're given the tools to make videos. Includes video editing tools, background music banks, script creating tips, all that worth 5,000. And also we give you Facebook ad creating tools. So which is priceless. You're also having a lead to deal follow-up tools. As I told you, a CRM tool will be provided, which will help you to follow up your lead to paying customer where they are really, whether they are in cold or warm or in hot, or whether what is a transaction when you're talked, and all those you can view it in your dashboard. Awesome, isn't it? So together it is worth of 32,000 rupees worth of product. You're going to get absolutely free. How many of you feel it's awesome? How many of you feel this is a great deal? Just type so that I am going to reveal for the people who feel they want to join and recreate this history again, become a world leader. I am going to give you something special for them. How many of you feel so? I want to join this community. I want to make sure I take my business to the next level. I learn the psychology of the customers. Let me create a content for my products and services. Let me do Facebook marketing through which I can get more number of leads. Let me have a tool which can track in what stage my customer is. How many of you want to join? Please use the chat box and type it. So the special deal for the people who want to join today, I'm going to give you a 15-minute offer deal. Would you like to know what is that? Vijay says yes. Vijay is very curious to join the forum, I hope. 3,999. You are going to get this deal for 3,999. I am sharing you the link for you to book. And for the people who are going to join today, within that 15 minutes, are also going to get a free ticket for my program, which is scheduled for 4th July, named Boost Your Sales, absolutely free. Awesome. I'm going to give you more value for whatever you pay. Awesome, isn't it? So please grab this offer. Those who are in live Facebook, please use my contact number and send a WhatsApp to avail this offer. My contact number is 98402 98421. Okay, fine. So 700 plus customers have already gained, as I told you, and what they want to say. Shall we watch?
Hi everybody, my name is Anjana Verma and I'm an emotional wellness specialist. I help people to fight emotional stress, that is usual everyday stress that we go through, which is related to emotions like anger, sadness, all these negative emotions, frustrations. I help people understand what it is and fight the stress that comes along with it. I had a great time. The webinar was wonderful. I learned so much. The 7 secrets I really wanted to know. Yesterday, I came to one of your free webinars, and that is when you told me about this 7 secrets. And I wanted to know what the 7 secret is. Now that I know, I'm sure I'll do much better in my business. And thanks to you, sir, for that.
Thank you, Anjana Verma, for awesome testimonial. And then meet Mr. Mahesh. Say hi to Mahesh, who is the founder of Magic Square Puzzle. Within learning of 4 pillars, within 10 days, he was able to generate 78 leads. And he was able to sell 50 plus app installation and 26 direct WhatsApp inquiry he started to get, because he run his WhatsApp, Facebook marketing through WhatsApp. As the end result, they get a WhatsApp message from the Facebook marketing. Okay, awesome, isn't it? And now let us hear from our friend Tejashree Bhandari from Kolkata.
Hello, I'm Tejashree Bhandari and we are into access controls and biometrics. And this session was really helpful to understand how to make videos, also build confidence and the way we should speak in a self-portrait video. And this could be very helpful in making videos for the company or for any product, etc. So it was successful in teaching us video editing. I think that there are so many softwares that are used. Like, I didn't know that there are so many softwares that can be used to edit a video. So that was very insightful. Also, like, taught all of us how to be confident in front of the camera. So it was very important. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tejashree, for your awesome feedback on video making mastery. Say hi to Vignesh, who has transformed his business, my dear friend. Really amazing. He used to tell me, like, I was more successful not learning Facebook marketing, but learning Secret Plus. Whatever I learned in Secret Plus, I implemented in Facebook marketing. That is the reason I am more successful. Okay, so his revenue shoot up to 5+ lakhs every month, with a profit of 2 lakhs every month, and almost like 104 customers he is having. He's a banker, so like he's giving loans and all those stuff. So he started getting so many people. So let us hear what people love to share about Facebook marketing mastery.
Hi friends, my name is Kiran Kumar Ambala. Since 1999, I am into consulting. One is financial planning, where we help our clients to multiply their wealth, and the other is property consulting. RS Money says both the course are really an eye-opener, where he helps us to understand the psychology of the customer, how to impress the customer, make an impact in the lowest possible time. I would really recommend that for every entrepreneur. And the another one is Facebook Mastery. We all entrepreneurs want to use our time to learn something new, so that when the lockdown is open, we already have customers with us. We will start finding customers after the lockdown. I wanted to learn Facebook, but But because being in sales, you're always out, don't get time to sit in front of a mobile or computer and learn something. This lockdown has given us opportunity to learn something. It's very nice to connect Mani sir. So many friends from Chennai, now today from Kolkata and Hyderabad, you know, all getting connected to like-minded progressive people is amazing. And thank you for introducing me into this community, Mani sir. Because as an entrepreneur, you have to be surrounded with positive, positive and progressive-minded people, and it helps. I wish everybody all the best, and 2020 is going to be a defining year for all of our careers. So how to present your business in an attractive way through images and through your videos and website. So started with images. So maybe I'll be able to learning something more and make a good attractive sales pitch to the prospective customer. I think the name is Wow Academy. So it's wow. Thank you, Mani sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kiran. Live from Mumbai. Awesome. And finally, we have the participant talking about lead to deal.
We have been manufacturing herbal teas very recently, but we have been doing R&D for the past 10 years. I've learned a lot. How to start marketing, how to get the things processed.
Superb. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Krishna. So many testimonials. We have also on the YouTube. You can follow me on the YouTube on RS Mani's Your Business Talk Show. And this is a very special offer for today. 15 minutes, this offer will be valid, the link will be valid and get deactivated. For the people who are trying to book after 15 minutes, the offer price goes up to 4576. Okay, and also they don't get the bonus, also they don't get the free ticket for my 4th day session, 4th July. Okay, fine. So now let me open up the floor for any questions for you. You have any questions, please open up. You can unmute yourself. Let me allow you to ask questions. You can unmute yourself, ask questions, and also share me what was your experience in today's session. Please go ahead. If you're registered for the program, please type on the chat box if you are registered so that I know that you have registered for the session. Any questions for you, my dear friends? You have any questions, please open up your microphone and then you can ask. And as I told you, the sessions, all the sessions are live and we provide you a handhold support. Yes, please. Any questions? Swarna, Vijay, Rajdatha, Adimulam, Lalita, Babita Jadhav. How do you feel about this session? So you want my contact number? Okay, sure. Let me share in the chat box. (98402) 98421. Okay, so awesome audience you are. Thank you for joining. So those who want to avail the offer, please click on the link and register to travel along the journey with us, to join hands with the 700 plus business owners like you. Join hands on the community and build your business to take our business to the next level. Let us all together conquer the world through business. Thank you, each one of you, from bottom of my heart. See you then soon, live on my other session. Take care. Bye. Till then.